Okay, so let's start by noticing how the sounds do not match the spellings many times with English words. The way we pronounce them is different than how we spell them. So, what we're going to do here is notice how many syllables are in each word. How many syllables or beats are in each word. And we're also going to notice what is the strong part in each word, the stress. Which part of the word sounds higher, louder, or longer than the other parts in each word. So to figure out the syllables, you might want to move your hands to your cheeks and notice how many times your jaw moves when you pronounce the word. The first word is achieve. Achieve. How many syllables in this word? Achieve. And the stress in this word, the strong syllable is the second. Achieve. Achieve. How about the second word? Say this word to yourself. Sounds like initial. Initial. How many syllables in this word? Initial. There are 3 syllables. Which syllable is stressed? Which is the strong part? Initial. Initial. It's the second syllable. Initial. Initial. How about the third word? Read that word to yourself. Instance. Instance. So try not to get confused with all the sounds. Inst and s, lots of sounds. But how many jaw movements? How many movements in your cheeks? Instance. There are 2 syllables in instance. What is the stress? Is it the first syllable or the second? Instance. Instance. It is the first syllable. So some 2-syllable words stress the second. Achieve. Achieve. Other 2-syllable words stress the first. Instance. Instance. How about the fourth word? Say that to yourself. How many syllables in this word? Potential. 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 3 syllables. Which one is the stress? The first syllable, the second, or the third? Potential. It's the middle syllable. Potential. Potential. How about our last word? Sounds like regulation. Regulation. How many syllables do you hear? Regulation. Regulation has 4 syllables. Now, which syllable is the stress or the strongest part? There might be a small stress in the beginning, but the main stress is in a different part of the word. Regulation. 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 So again, we have achieve, achieve, achieve. Initial, initial, initial. Instance, 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 potential, 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 and regulation, regulation, regulation. So in our next video, we're going to work with the words and our strategies and how can we start to figure out the meaning through synonyms and grammar clues.